Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
The response, they are like-minded. Earlier also they have worked with us, and they are working out as to how to go about.
What is the message?
Sir, has UDP? Sir, this side. Sir.
No, everything should not be divulged to the media. Thank you.
We have Mukul Sangma here, sir. The Congress have the highest number.
Yeah,
What is the strategy?
you might respect the mandate of the people. People have given a fractured mandate, and when you say fractured mandate, it's really fractured. This has been something which is inherent to Meghalaya politics. Only last 5 years we saw there's one political party who received a substantial mandate, touching almost halfway mark. But back to square one, I think this is part of Meghalaya politics, and Meghalaya has witnessed similar kind of situation in the past. So based on this, the whole post-election scenario is unfolding. You're seeing it.
So what brings you to UDP President Dr. Roy's residence here?
Now, what is the message that is given by the fractured mandate? The fractured mandate itself says that you have to talk with other political parties. It's as simple as that.
Right.
So we respect their mandate, and based on that, we talk. Okay.
Sir, UDP has said that they are going to extend support to the NPP.
We will look at this. We still are talking. Okay. So wait for that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. I have always served the people of this state in different capacities. There was a time when I have resigned from the post of Deputy CM. I never asked for any political appointment. I continue to serve. There's so much of joy in serving the people in multiple capacities, which is available in the whole space of political spectrum. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why do you have to rush, man?
Why do you have Sir, what discussion did you have with the UDP? If you could just give us a short. Sir. Just 2 words. So what discussion did you have with the UDP? They've extended their support to the NPP
See,
now.
what you see today here is an outcome of a fractured. Okay. So there will be many more such activities unfolding based on the mandate of the people. So we have respect for the people, and you will see some more such
At 5 p.m., a joint delegation of National People's Party, UDP, HSPDP and BJP will meet the Governor of Meghalaya with the support of 29 MLA and stake for the formation of the next government, and hopefully by evening support from few more people will follow.
Who will be the next Chief Minister?
That NPP will decide in half an hour time. And finally, it is now clear that a government headed by NPP will take charge in Meghalaya.
Can you share the numbers, sir?
Number is very clean. The NPP has 19, BJP 2, HSPDP 2, UDP 6. So that takes us to 29 in House of 58.
And all these parties will be
what
part
about
of
the
the
power
government
sharing, sir?
when it comes to
You see that everything will be disclosed to you in due course of time. There is a discussion between the parties how to share the government, how to join in the government. Those things will be discussed in due course of time. But let us meet at 5 p.m. in the house of the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. I think you will be there, and let us meet there.
will there be a deputy
I mean, you see, I am not empowered to speak regarding the formation of the government, how the modalities will take place. But yes, there is a great deal of detailed discussion we had yesterday evening with Dr. Donkopar Rai, me and Conrad Sangma. We had a detailed discussion with Dr. Donkopar Rai yesterday evening. Followed by there is a wrap-up discussion just now, and UDP has officially extended, along with HSPDP, their support to NPP to form next government in Meghalaya.
So BJP will be having an upper hand because you have elected Mr. A.L. Hague as the legislative party leader. So BJP will definitely be having an upper hand in this, sir.
What upper hand? BJP has just number 2. So BJP, how can we have upper hand? So BJP has 2. So upper hand will be NPP 19, followed by next upper hand will be UDP, they are 6. that it is upper hand goes according to numerical strength. Na?
So what
Mr.
about
Sharma,
the
Mr. Sharma.
PDF? Has
I
won
think yeah,
4 seats.
yeah. We are in discussion with PDF also. That is why I told you that at 5 p.m. we are going to Governor with 29 sign or 29 members, but that number will definitely grow up.